radio. You want power on the air, you can't get the guessing, you've gotta know what's there. Scope on the bench, watt meter and line, spectrum analyzer showing every trace and sign. Knowledge in your head, test gear on the bench, that's how you find a problem, that's how you make the wrench. No magic, no gimmicks, no smoke and mirror show, just understanding radio and making signals go. The proof is in the skills, the truth is in the test. Proper tools and knowledge bring the very best. Clean and loud on the airwaves, crystal clear and strong. When you know what you're doing, you can make that radio sing along. Hey! Stuart Dix Radio Shop shows it every day, with the tools and the knowledge to get the job done right away. No gimmicks, no guessing, no stories to confuse, just truth, facts, and radio skills. You can see and hear for yourself. Watch Stu on the bench and you'll see what he knows. Toes in every circuit and following where it goes. He doesn't just say trust me and walk away, he puts the test equipment right into play. Meters get the numbers, scopes show the way, measurements tell the story, and the facts don't need to be brave. The proof is in the skills, the truth is in the test. Proper tools and knowledge bring the very best. Clean and loud on the airwaves, crystal clear and strong. When you understand the equipment, you know when something's wrong. Anybody can make a claim, anybody can talk, but put the radio on the bench and let the instruments talk. Show the waveform, check the load, measure what's coming through. When the numbers tell the story, everybody knows what's true. The proof is in the skills, the truth is in the test. Proper tools and knowledge bring the very best. Clean and loud on the airwaves, that's the goal of the quest. DX Radio Shop puts the work and knowledge to the test. Stu shows what he knows in every video he makes. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, no questionable takes. The viewers keep coming cause they know